Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite now. Scorpio, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there, so take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin our read, Scorpio. Let's see what message wants to show through for you. My angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio. Send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. So Scorpio, we'll take an angel blessing card and see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, advice, message, or guidance. Oops, what's happening to the cards? Lot of scattered energy. Oops. This never happens with these cards. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Scorpio, please. This one. All right, we've got our card, Scorpio. You can put the rest back. And the card I have here for you is reward. So either you're going to be rewarded with something, I don't know how this pertains to your love life, Scorpio, or maybe it's time to reward yourself. Give yourself a little pat on the back. Okay, so let's put this card here. Maybe this is a message from your angels that you're going to be rewarded with something beautiful very soon. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the support that you've sent to the channel to keep it up and running. I'm very blessed, very grateful. Thank you for your lovely comments, your likes, shares, care, love. Thank you. And of course, Scorpio, if you're new here, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, this is just a small little 9-card spread to check your energy, to see if what's the most important messages that there are for you right now. Your longer readings have been put up. I'll leave a link at the end of the video in case you want to check them. More are coming. I think our next in-depth reading will be on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Scorpio, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. You are releasing something very toxic from your life, Scorpio. Maybe that's why the universe is going to be rewarding you. Let's open the cards and see what's going on. Page of Cups, Temperance, 9 of Wands, 9 of Cups, 3 of Wands, 6 of Swords, 3 of Swords, the Magician, and the 3 of Cups. Okay, so my first look at this spread here, people have turned their back on each other, or at least one person had. Somebody's keeping their energy very guarded, very protected, no longer offering their love, healing themselves because there was no emotional happiness here. I think somebody's leaving all troubles behind and saying, hey, I'd rather live in peace than deal with any heartbreak from any trickster here. Not interested in reconciling or celebrating or anything like that with this person. Right? So let's just take this, I'll clarify these cards, of course. Let's take some dialogue message cards, Scorpio, and see what's happening here. Then we clarify the rest. Scorpio and their person, spirit. Thank you. And let's take, oops, sorry, dropped a card. Okay. So, Scorpio and their person, spirit. All right, thank you. And let's take a few more from here. Scorpio and their person. Thank you. All right, Scorpio, good to go. Let's start with our first card. I try to detach and let go. Then I get flooded with telepathy, dreams, and your strong sexual energy, which takes me over. Damn it. Yeah, I do see two people trying to detach from each other, or maybe at least one person who's now turned their back on them. Okay. Second one says, My mind is racing and my heart is breaking with the doubts and insecurities your inconsistent behavior have created. I crave inner peace right now. My soul feels very unsettled. Somebody is looking for peace and happiness. They don't want to be in a place which is going to, give them heartbreak and have a magician who's always kind of playing tricks on them or manipulating them. So, third card says, you were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same, as I never expected that. Fuck, you're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. Maybe one person always had self-worth issues. They never felt good enough. They felt their partner was much better than them. And that led to them acting or reacting in a way which wasn't appropriate maybe for a relationship. They ended up behaving like a magician in reverse, like a trickster, right? This may have been just to hide their own insecurities. When I'm feeling low, I close my eyes and I can feel your presence comforting me. I'm so grateful for our mystical connection. Love doesn't even begin to describe what I feel about you. There are no words to explain the depths of my feelings. So even though the feelings were there, the love was there, I think somebody didn't behave properly, or maybe they were insecure about themselves, they felt their partner was probably too good for them, or whatever happened, or maybe they had some kind of addictions, maybe drinking or fears or anxiety or whatever. Something happened here, but whoever the other person is who was subject to this magician has kind of decided, hey, it's not my circus, not my monkey. I'm going to release all this because I crave inner peace. I can't be in a place which is always giving me hurt and heartbreak. I didn't think it was possible to feel this much. Thoughts of you fill my head. We've come too far to give up on us. Let's start over. We see this from two different perspectives. What I'm most in need of, you cannot give me. Somebody just needs peace and quiet, I think. That's what they're saying. You can't give me that because, you're always creating toxic behavior and I always have to keep myself defensive, defend myself. So what's this Page of Cups in reverse, Spirit? Page of Cups in reverse. Yes, so somebody is no longer interested in offering any love or any, restart or anything like that. In fact, they're saying, hey, if the tower is falling, I might as well let it fall because I'm going to now defend myself. I want to keep myself protected. I don't want to re-begin any love story here. Right now, I think this person is just trying to heal themselves, trying to mend their own life, their own broken heart, and I have this card here twice. So yes, maybe both of you are either kind of, defending yourselves, or this could be the same person who's saying, I would rather be in this stance than actually accept or offer any new beginning. Temperance. Yes, I think they made it very clear as well. They made it very clear that I want peaceful conversation or none at all. If you're going to misbehave, if you're going to create any kind of bad memories for me, then, I'm not going to be involved. I'm going to stay away from you. And I think they've made it quite crystal clear as well. Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups. Whoever this trickster is, I don't think they're very happy with this decision here, Scorpio. They are not happy that, their person has now kind of got their guard up, is no longer interested in befriending them once again. This person is deeply unhappy that, but they're keeping a watch. They quietly, silently are still watching and waiting. That maybe one day I'll get a chance where I can go in and swoop in and romance them once again. They are unhappy that their partner has now turned their back on them, but I don't think this person is giving up yet. Three of Wands in reverse. Yes, maybe they're hoping that they'll come back. If I can behave myself now, I can romance them once again, waiting for the right opportunity. And if I play my cards right, maybe, luck will favor me and things can go my way once again. Six of Swords. Six of Swords. Problem here is that in the past, whoever this person is who's trying to come now as the King of Knight of Cups, has behaved in a very immature manner, maybe very rash, very immature, and never taking responsibility for their actions. And the other person is not interested. I think they've already kind of given up on them, that they don't want to be in this conflict anymore. And I think they may have already moved on here. Why? Because this person always ends up breaking their heart. They feel this person is always tricking me. Yes. Oops. Oh my God. This is like, yes. For one person, they always feel betrayed. They always feel, this is the end. I can't deal with this kind of heartbreak anymore. I don't want to be in a place where I have to, always stay stressed out, and I can't sleep at night. I'm always, thinking about what happened, why it happened, and this is not a commitment that I want to take further. Yes, the other person feels I cannot work with this person anymore, and I'm not interested in having anything committed going forth again or ever. They find that person to be a magician in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Magician. They feel each time they choose to go back to them, they come back feeling like a loser. They feel this person is very immature, and yes, they feel this person is, the minute they're given a chance once again, they make their partner always feel like they're the loser. They want to always have the final say. They are cutting with their words sometimes, very unemotional. And yes, somebody doesn't want to fight for this connection anymore here, Scorpio. As much as this Knight of Cups is still waiting for a chance to swoop in and, waiting for their turn to somehow return back into the good books of this feminine, I think. I don't think this feminine is interested right now. Three of Cups, Spirit, in reverse. Three of Cups is usually a card of, celebrating life together or a reunion. But it seems to be in reverse at the moment. Yes, because they find this very unsettling. They can't deal with this kind of behavior. Always rash, always, the unpredictable behavior. This kind of really unsettles their partner, who feels that I don't know what to expect. I would rather not meet up once again than be subject to, another bout of this kind of behavior. Somebody is ready to release this toxic energy. The Devil, Spirit, in reverse. What's this Devil in reverse? Devil in reverse, Spirit. Yes, this situation has gone a totally wrong way now. Somebody is ready to release this toxic behavior. They've made a choice that, hey, I am turning my back on this. I feel too stressed out when I'm around this person. Yes, they maybe do love me, but the point here is the King of Cups always has a cup of love in one hand and something really solid in the other. So it's very unpredictable. You never know what's really going on in their heart space. So their partner doesn't want to be subject to a relationship which they never know what they're going to get. So as much as this King of Cups is going to be wanting to try once again to romance them or woo them and hope they come back, I don't think this person is right now interested to go back. Okay, so this could be you, Scorpio, who doesn't want to go back, or this could be your partner who doesn't trust you anymore, is leaving because of inconsistent behavior. So that's all I have for you. We'll get deeper into both sides on Wednesday. See you then. Take care. Love and light. Namaste.